Chairperson, County First Ladies Association, Ms. Alamitu Jattani, to give her remarks.
On behalf of the County First Ladies Association, allow me to begin with a word full of gratitude. Your presence here this evening is not just ceremonial, it is powerful gesture of solidarity and a source of inspiration to each one of us. Through Mama Doing Good, you have shown Kenya that compassion, when organized and disciplined, becomes a national force of transformation. From kitchen gardens and climate-smart agriculture to school feeding programs to the financial empowerment of women through table banking, you have translated big policy aspirations into real changes in the daily lives of families. You have proved that when we invest in women, we nourish the nation. Your Excellency, we honor you, we learn from you, and we thank you. Tonight, we gather for a defining moment in the life of County First Ladies Association, the unveiling of our strategic plan 2025-2028. This is more than a document. It is a shared promise to the women, children, youth, and vulnerable groups of all 47 counties that we will serve them with greater clarity, coordination, and courage. When CFLA was formed in 2014, it began as a simple conviction that the spouses of governors working together can use their unique spaces to champion human dignity and social justice. Over the years, the conviction has taken shape in many ways, from advocating for reproductive health, supporting early childhood development and education, providing support in cancer screening, to standing against gender-based violence and harmful cultural practices. Behind each of these initiatives is not just a program, but a story. A mother who survived childbirth, a girl who stayed in school, a child who received timely treatment, a family that felt seen by its leaders. These stories are the reasons we exist. Today's launch signals the continuity of these initiatives, but with renewed vigor. We are, however, cognizant that this launch is taking place at a time when our country faces serious interlinked challenges, the pressures of climate change, economic hardship, persistent inequalities, and social ills such as gender-based violence and substance abuse. Yet, we are all blessed with great opportunities, devolution, an innovative private sector. We are blessed with great opportunities, devolution, an innovative private sector, active civil society, and resilient communities. Our plan is therefore both a response to urgency and a statement of hope. It is anchored on 6 key priorities. First, health and well-being. We will deepen our support for community health, especially reproductive, maternal, newborn, child, and adolescent health. We will continue to promote family planning, immunization, nutrition, and early detection of cancers and non-communicable diseases. When a mother lives, a child flourishes, a teenager makes informed choices, an entire community moves forward. The second, economic empowerment. We recognize that lasting health and education gains can not rest on fragile livelihood. We will champion financial literacy, entrepreneurship, linkages to credit and saving models that enable women, youth, persons with disabilities to move from dependency to dignity. Our vision is of our households that are not merely surviving, but thriving. Third, inclusive education, care, and mentorship. We will advocate for equitable access to ECD and basic education, mentor our young people into leadership and responsible citizens, support school re-entry for teenage mothers, and encourage girls to pursue STEM and technical fields. Every child, wherever they are born, deserves the chance to dream and to become. The fourth one is ending gender-based violence and harmful practices. We remain uncompromising on this. We will continue to speak and act against female genital mutilation, child marriage, and all forms of violence that diminish women and children. We will work with communities, elders, religious and cultural leaders to build norms grounded in respect and inequality. Violence against women is not a women's issue. It is a national crisis and a development barrier. Fifth, climate action and resilience. Climate change is already altering how we grow food, how we stay healthy, and how we live together. We will promote climate-smart agriculture, water conservation, tree growing, and policies that recognize the deep link between climate, health, and livelihood. A healthy environment is our first hospital, our first classroom, and our first marketplace. The sixth, is institutional strengthening of CFLA. We know that good intentions must be backed by strong institutions. We will therefore strengthen our governance, financial management, communication and monitoring and evaluation system. We will professionalize our secretariat so that CFLA can deliver consistently and credibly beyond any single term of office or individual holder of the title First Lady. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, as we pursue these priorities, several enablers will guide us. Technology to connect and learn, evidence to shape our decisions, visibility to attract purposeful partnership, and above all, unity among all 47 spouses of county governors. Each of us is a champion in her county or his county. Together we are a national movement for good, but we are clear we cannot do this alone. To our development partners, we invite you to work with us, not only as funders of activities, but co-architects of solutions. To county and national governments, we pledge alignment with your policies and plans. We ask that you continue to see CFLA as a serious, accountable partner in advancing shared priorities. To civil society, community-based organization, and faith-based communities, we recognize you as our eyes, ears, and hands on the ground. Help us remain close to the people we serve. To the private sector and philanthropists, foundations, see in CFLA a reliable vehicle through which your investments can reach those at the margin with dignity and impact. To our communities in all our 47 counties, we say this. We say, this plan is about you. Hold us to account. Your hopes and your feedback will shape our journey. To my dear sisters, the county first ladies, we occupy a unique space. We are wives and mothers, professionals and leaders, often working quietly behind the scenes, yet we have platforms that can either lie dormant or be harnessed for common good. This strategic plan is our collective decision to harness those platforms fully. It is a commitment that in the coming years, we will go deeper rather than just wider, that we will build institutions, not merely events, that we will seek lasting transformations, not fleeting applause. Let us remember this simple truth. We may never do all the good that humanity needs, but humanity will always need the good we do when we do it with love. Your Excellency,